Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So it is very difficult. Nobody can understand Krishna without becoming a pure devotee of Krishna. Because Krishna says, Bhaktyamam avijanati javan jaschami tattva. Tattva in truth. Tattva means truth. If one wants to understand Krishna as he is, then he has to take this process of devotion, bhakti, rishikena, rishikesha sevanam bhakti ruchyate. When one is employed as the servitor of Rishikesha, the master of senses. Master and Rishikena, when your senses are also engaged in the service of the master of the senses, then you also become master of the senses. You also, because your senses are engaged in the service of the Rishikesha, the senses have no other opportunity to be engaged. Locked up. Savai manak Krishna padaravindu. So, this is the process of devotional service. If you want to become master of the senses, Goswami, Swami, then you should always keep your senses engaged in the service of Rishikesha. That is the only way. Otherwise, it is not possible. As soon as you become little slack to engage your senses in the service of the master of the senses, immediately Maya is there. Come on, please. This is it. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhogavancha kore, pasete maya tare japotiya dhore. As soon as you forget Krishna, even for a moment, immediately Maya is there. Please, my dear friend, come here. Therefore, we have to become very cautious. We cannot forget Krishna even for a moment. That was the chanting purpose. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama. Always remember Krishna. Then Maya will not be able to touch you. Mami mujaprapaddanti, Maya mitang taranti. Maya cannot touch. Just like Haridas Thakur. He was engaged in the service of Rishikesha. Maya came in full-fledged strength. Still she was defeated. Haridas Thakur was not defeated. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.